In this project, we learn to control an LED through PIR motion sensor, making your boundary as switch. First, let's do the Y connection according to the connection diagram. Plug the LED into breadboard. Using a 220 resistor, listen careful of LED and careful load. Connect its anode load to D10. For PIR sensor, connect its careful to careful load, anode to anode load. Signal pin to D6. For LCD, connect GND to careful load. Lead off the load to GND port. Connect VCC to anode load. Lead off the load to 5V port. Connect SCL to A5, SDA to A4. Finally, connect this board to computer with a USB cable. Firstly, open Arduino IDE, click Tools. For board, select Arduino Uno. For port, select COM11. Next, take a look at the sample code. It says include y.h and include liquid crystal I2C.h. So you need to place these files under the root directory of Arduino libraries. You can see here, we already placed these files into the directory. Then copy sample code from supporting file and paste them here. Then click Verify to check compiling mistakes, and if the codes are correct, click Upload to upload the codes to the board. After uploading code, wave your hand. LED lights up and the LCD shows somebody is in this area. It is reminding of you that somebody is here. Then don't move your hand. It will tell you by displaying no one on LCD and LED is off. Task is now complete. Thank you.